Hello everyone. So in today's video we will be treating questions that came out from day 1 and day 2. So these are questions I asked from my students and I want us to be treating it together. Question 1. Shina is not as old dash we thought. A like, B as, C than, D that. So Shina is not as old dash we thought. So out of this option, the one that fits well into this gap is as. The correct structure is as. For comparison of equality, Shina is not as old as, we are trying to compare them, as old as we thought. So as is the correct answer. Question 2. Choose the word nearest in meaning to malevolence. A kindness, B hatred, C happiness, D mercy. A kindness, B hatred, C happiness, D mercy. We have to look for the nearest in meaning of malevolence. So what's malevolence? Malevolence means ill will, or desire to do evil, So the closest out of the option is hatred. Hatred is also desire to do evil, while malevolence is also desire to do evil. And other option, kindness, happiness, mercy, they are all positive emotion aside from hatred. So hatred is the correct answer. Question 3. Choose the word nearest in meaning to august occasion. A ordinary event, B shameful gathering, C important event, D casual meeting. So what's august? August means grand, dignified, highly respected. So that is what August means. Dignified, grand, highly respected. So it describes an important or prestigious occasion. And if we check option, we have ordinary event, no. Option B, shameful gathering. Option C, important event, which is the correct answer. So now, before we continue, if you are interested in practicing standard mock exam, just share this number right here so you can practice a lot of quizzes. So make sure you share this number if you want to practice standard mock exam before writing your exam. So now let's continue. Question 4. Choose the word nearest in meaning to complacent. A dissatisfied, B self-satisfied, C angry, D careless. So what's complacent? Complacent means being too satisfied. So that is the meaning of complacent, and we have to look for the nearest in meaning, which also means similar in meaning. So complacent is also means often without awareness or thought, being too satisfied with oneself and often without awareness of thought. So the nearest in meaning is self-satisfied. If we look at careless, angry and dissatisfied, they are not related to complacent. Question 5. Choose the word nearest in meaning to repealed. A enforced, B cancelled, C approved, D created. So before we can answer question, we need to know the meaning of that word. So you need to be really grounded in vocabulary words so you can be able to answer synonym and antonym in the right way. So repealed means a law that has been officially cancelled. It means a law that has been officially cancelled or withdrawn. So the appropriate answer here is cancelled, which is option B. Question 6. Choose the word nearest in meaning to bogus. A. Genuine. B. False. C. Useful. D. Expensive. So bogus also means fake or not true. So the nearest in meaning the option expensive, no. Useful, wrong. It's not related to bogus. Bogus means unreal. So the nearest meaning is false. Question 7. Choose the word nearest in meaning to quick-tempered. So these are questions from day 1. A. Calm. B. Patient. C. Easily angered. D. Gentle. So quick-tempered, it means a person to get angry very fast. A quick-tempered person gets angry very fast. And calm, patient, gentle are antagonizing anger. So they are not related to anger. They are opposite to anger. So easily angered is the appropriate answer. So let's continue. Question 8. Before we continue, if you want to practice series of mock exam, just share this number right here on WhatsApp so you can have access to the quizzes. Question 8. Choose the word nearest in meaning to nocturnal. Option A. Active during the day. Option B. Active at night. Option C. Lazy. Option D. Silent. So nocturnal refers to organisms or people that are active at night. And if we check our option, we can find active at night in option B, which is the correct answer. So make sure you take note of nocturnal. Nocturnal means organism or people that are active at night, like security personnel. Question 9. Choose the word nearest in meaning to impertinence. A. Respect. B. Rudeness. C. Silence. D. Fear. So impertinence means lack of respect or rude behavior. So if we check option A, respect, that is wrong. Assuming we are asked to look for opposite in meaning, respect would have been correct. Option B, rudeness, yes, that's the correct answer. Question 10. Choose the word nearest in meaning to sagacity. Sagacity means deep understanding. It means deep understanding. So if we check our option, wisdom is synonymous to wisdom is correct. Wisdom is synonymous to sagacity. Question 11. Choose the word nearest in meaning to impregnable. Impregnable. A. Weak. B. Unprotected. C. Impossible to attack. D. Open. Impregnable means strong and cannot be defeated or broken into. So we have to look for the nearest in meaning of impregnable. Weak. Assuming we are asked to look for the opposite in meaning, weak would have been correct. But since it is nearest in meaning, impossible to attack is the appropriate answer. Impossible to attack. Unprotected is also opposite in meaning to impregnable. Question 12. If you are interested in practicing mock exam, make sure you share this number right here to have access to series of mock exam. Before writing the exam, you need to practice and you need to use your time effectively. So this quizzes, this mock exam will give you room to do that. Question 12. Choose the word nearest in meaning to seldom. Seldom. I know a lot of people should be familiar with the word seldom. Seldom means not often. Seldom means not often, not regular, rarely. And if we check our option B, rarely is correct. But assuming we are given we are to find the opposite in meaning of seldom. Often would be the correct answer. Question 13, which is the last question this video. Choose the word opposite in meaning to invigorating. A, weakening. B, energizing. C, refreshing. D, strengthening. So when we say invigorating, what comes to your mind? Invigorating means giving strength or energy. It means giving strength or energy. So the opposite of giving strength or energy is taking away energy. And taking away energy also means weakening. So weakening is the correct answer. So with this, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Keep learning and keep practicing.